race weekend takes us back to the Parklinks in Quezon City for highlights of the third round of this year's Ineos Super Sprint season.
My second time here at Super Sprint. Although we have some couple of issues to face right now, overall it's fun experience for me. Yung experience, ano naman siya, challenging since mga kotse na to medyo tight for this track kaya challenging sa amin. Yan yung kagandahan sa event na to, hanapan namin ng paraan para ma-adjust kami sa track.
For my goals, gusto ko lang mababaan, syempre, yung best time ko. Yun yung goal ko palagi. Ayokong makipag-compete. I'm not here to compete. I'm here to know what I have to learn more about driving. Kasi I am for gender equality talaga. And nakakatuwa lang na dumadami na rin yung lady drivers. And parang, uy, may angas din pala kapag, kaya rin pala ng mga babae.
Kasi sa feeling na nakaka-keep up ka with other ladies class na mas professional pa sa'yo. Yung goal ko sa Super Sprint ngayong season is maging mas faster na driver. Kasi nakita ko yung improvement ko from round 1 up to this round 3. Tapos sabi ko, okay na, babawasan naman yung oras ko, mas bumibilis ako. Tapos mas nagkakaroon ako ng parang skill para iwasan yung mga cones kung paano yung angle para hindi ko matamaan and mas mapabilis yung run.
Thank you, Super Sprint. Thank you, Kuya Robert, Tita Jill, and everyone else. Thank you sa AAM, Adrenaline Alliance Motorsports, for accepting me as a newbie driver. Yun lang, more power, good luck, and see you next round.
Don't miss out on the fourth round of the 2024 Ineos Super Sprint season to be held at Parklinks Ayala on August 11.